Hey, it's Kayla. Welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be doing some pop art makeup. First, I'm going in with e.l.f.'s Acne Fighting Putty Primer, e.l.f.'s Halo Glow Liquid Filter Foundation, Milani's Conceal and Perfect Concealer, Hard Candy's Highlight and Contour Stick. I was wrong. Apparently, I do have a loose powder. This is Maybelline Fit Me's Light. It's shade 15. I feel like it's not my shade. So these are 3 looks I've done in the past. I really like this one over here. And this one. This one's okay, but it's more like your general one that you see online. I kind of want to mix these two a little bit. I really like this one. I just want to do a pop art look again. I kind of missed that. But I just will do a mix of the two maybe. I'm going to go in with Wet n Wild's Fantasy Makers palette. I'm going to go in with the blue, and I'm going to do my brows blue, I think. I'm going to go in with yellow for the eyes like before. I'm going to go in with the paint, and then if I need to, I'll go in with eyeshadow to cover it. I'm going to do a red teardrop. Well, like the drip, not just a singular one. I'm also going to underline here just to match up the same color pattern. Then for lips, I'm going to go in with purple, and this is all from this palette right here. And I'm going to go in with this other palette. It's the Other Fantasy Makers palette by Wet n Wild. I'm going to take the black shade, and I'm going to outline everything here. So I'm like afraid I'm going to goof it up. This one always stresses me out. Next, I'm going to take one of these brushes, and I'm just going to put white paint on the back. I got a thicker brush to try it with. We're just going to try to do some dots. I'm not going to fuss over making them perfect though. Then I'm just going to fill the rest of this in, I think, with dots. You kind of get the gist. I feel like I should add a couple dots here, so I'm going to do that really quick. I'm going to add some highlights, so we're just going to add like a little bit of a there. I'm going in with e.l.f.'s No Budge eyeshadow stick. It's the Cookies and Dreams one, and I use this for like my waterline. I just realized I missed a line right here. Now I'm going to go get lashes, and these lashes are by Ioni again. They are the Wispy Medium Spiky Cluster Curl Lashes from their Day of the Dead ones. Not sure if they still sell the same ones, but here's the final look. I love doing pop art looks. I don't like ever do them actually. I should really do them more often. But yeah, this is a super easy last minute look for Halloween if you need one, or if you just want to do makeup for fun. Let me know what you think, and thanks for watching.